In this video, we will see how to install the latest version of Java on Windows computer. The latest version of Java right now is Java 20. First, we will download the latest version of Java from the Oracle's website. Once the download is finished, then we will try to install the Java which we downloaded from Oracle's official website. Once the Java installation is completed, then we will see how to set up Java path. It is very important. And once we complete set up the Java path, we need to set up the Java home. After the completion of this, Java installation is complete. Now it's time to verify whether Java is working properly or not on our system. Once we complete the checking, that means Java installed successfully on our computer, then we'll write a small Java program just to test. And once the program is finished, then we will try to run using the Java compiler and we'll try to see how it is executing. So let's get started now. Open your favorite browser and then search Java JDK download and you will find this type of page. The top on is the main official site. Just click over there and you will be reached in this page. Here you will find the latest version of Java is Java 20. Just click the Windows and you will find all the installation for Windows operating system. We will try to install this one. So I am going to download this version of Java, that means Java 20 on our computer. Once the download link is clicked, then it will start downloading the Java installer on our local computer. When the installer is downloaded successfully, just go to the download location and you will find a file like jdk-20 underscore windows x64 underscore bin. That means this is the installer for Java 20 to install on our computer. To start the installation, just double click on top of the installer and then it will start installation of the software. You will find this type of window. From here we have to click next and here we will see the path location where it will be installed. Then I am going to click next again and then we have to go in this way till the Java installation is completed successfully. During the time of Java installation, we might get some type of warning message like, do you want to allow this app to make changes to this device? We have to press yes to continue the installation. I am going to click this yes and the installation will continue again. Once the Java installation is completed successfully, then we will get a confirmation message that the Java installation is successful. Then we have to press this close button to close the installation window. After the installation is completed successfully, we just need to set up Java home and Java path. I am going to find the Java installation path because we need to set up Java path. So I am going to the folder of Java installation under program files and then here we will find Java. We just need to access there. Once we are inside this folder, we'll find JDK and over there we'll find another bin folder. I just need to access there and then I'm going to copy the full path of this location. Once the whole path is copied, then let's open the environment variable window. I'm going to search here by typing environment and then we will find that option. I just need to click on top of it and then this type of window will be appeared. And from this window there is one button which is called environment variable. Click on the environment variable and then you will find this type of window. Click on the path under system variable and then click on edit button. Now we need to add our copied path. I'm going to click new and then I'm going to paste the path which we just copied. Once everything is done successfully, we need to press the OK button. Once the OK button is pressed, this window will be closed. Now we need to click on new, this button. Once the new button is clicked, then we have to set the Java home path or Java home directory. So I am going to type on keyword like thing Java underscore home. All letters are capital, and then I am going to paste the whole path, but I am removing the bin part, and finally I am pressing the OK button to save it, and finally again we are pressing the OK button to close this window, and again last step is OK. In this way we can easily install Java. Now let's check it whether it is installed successfully or not. I'm going to open the command prompt by typing cmd inside the search box, and then from here I am choosing cmd. The command prompt window will be opened. Inside this command prompt window, we have to type on command. The command is java space dash dash version. Once this command is typed successfully, we have to press the enter key, and it will show us this type of result where we can easily see the version of Java which is installed successfully. Let's write a small Java program by using Notepad and try to run it whether it is executing properly or not with our Java compiler. I just open the Notepad, and now I'm going to type public class, and the name of the class is like hello, and then curly brace. So once we type this class definition, then we need to define the main method. So I'm going to type the main method as public static void and a parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have to mention the argument like string, then space, arguments, then a square bracket, and then we have to complete our method signature. So I'm going to type on simple line which can print something like system.out.println, and inside the parenthesis I'm going to type a message like first program and couple of dots, and finally we have to complete a semicolon at the end. Now let's save this thing. I'm going to save it on the downloads folder. So I'm going to click downloads, and then I am typing the program name as hello, and then it is a Java file. So I am typing .java, and from here we have to choose all files, and the name extension is .java. Finally click the save button to save the Java program. Once we click the save button, it will be saved. Now let's open the downloads folder, and from here let's open the terminal or command by typing cmd and then hit enter. The command prompt will be open shortly. Here we need to run this program. To compile this program, we have to type the command javac then hello.java, the name of the file, and we are seeing that we are getting some error, and the error is pretty much understandable because it is showing that the class name should be start like capital letter. So let's fix the error. I'm going to rename the file from downloads folder. I choose the file, and then from this menu I'm going to choose the rename option. Once we click the rename option, we can rename it. I am making the H as capital H, and then once the rename is successfully completed, I'm coming to the main command window again, and here I am typing the command javac space capital H hello.java, and now hit enter key of your keyboard. Once we hit enter key of the keyboard, then we will see that the Java program is compiled successfully, and on the main folder it is creating a class file, that means hello.class. Now let's run it. I'm typing java hello, and then I am hitting enter key of the keyboard, and here the program is executed successfully, and we are seeing the message first program. In this way we can easily install Java on Windows computer. Here we install the latest version of Java 20, but if you are trying to install other version of Java, it will be the same. You just need to download that version, and then you have to install all the steps which we discussed in this video. Hopefully this video will be very helpful to learn and to understand how to install Java easily on our computer. If you face any issue or trouble to install Java properly on your Windows computer, please put your comment or problem in the comment section. I will try my best to give you a solution. Thank you for watching the video.